Hello guys, welcome to Spyro Tech 365. Today I am going to show you how to create VHS Rewind Effect quickly. Here I have created one. So I'll show you how to create this. First of all, we'll create a sequence and then insert the footage. After that, we'll change the duration and copy this. After that, we'll insert this VHS Rewind sound effect plus footage, which we have downloaded from YouTube. We have downloaded this effect. You can download anyone which you want to like, and then clip which we want to apply, we will click the right click and then change the speed or duration. Here we will click reverse speed and click OK, and we'll adjust the duration with this effect with the clip duration and the sound duration also. After that, we'll scale this footage of VHS Rewind and we'll apply Alt K from the effects panel. K color. If we choose the K color by this eyedropper tool, it will remove the green skin. Here you can see the reverse speed and the rewind with the sound has been applied here. So that's it for today. If you love and enjoy our video, please like, comment and share this one. Do not forget to subscribe our channel to get more tips and tricks in Adobe Premiere Pro. Thank you.